Okay friends, so now let's install Vesta control panel on our server. Vesta is a small lightweight web hosting control panel which will be a prerequisite for installing Power MTA. So simply to install Vesta, we will run two simple commands. Don't worry now about the commands, everything will be attached to this course. Just copy and paste and follow up with me. So I will copy and paste the first command to get the installation file for Vesta. Click enter, that's it. And now let's run the installation script. Very simple. Click enter. It will say it will install the following, say Y, and enter an admin email address. I will say admin@xmailing.me, which is my domain name. And let's enter a full qualified domain name. I will say server.xmailing.me. Later on, we will point also these subdomains to our IP address, to this server. Just say server, maybe SMTP, maybe your box, whatever you want, dot your domain name. Click enter, and the installation now will start. It says it will take about 15 minutes. Let's pause the video and I'll be back with you in a little bit. And awesome. After a couple of minutes, you will see this awesome message. Congratulations, you have just successfully installed Vesta control panel. And will give you some details for the login, username and password. Save them somewhere on your PC, you may use them. In our case, we will not use Vesta for anything. I will use it only as a prerequisite to install Power MTA. Here I am showing you the easiest way to configure Power MTA, so I don't want to bother your head with Vesta. So that's it. Now we are ready to install Power MTA in the next lecture. So stay tuned and follow up.